Hello guys, welcome back to Cool Hobby. This video I will unboxing this new KUBLAI P1S. This is the new Glock gas power. If you like our video, don't forget to subscribe us and follow our new online shop. Support us to make some good videos for you. Okay, now I will unboxing and review this new P1S. And between the old P1, let us see what are different. Okay, let's do it. Okay, I will open it. This is I first open the P1S box. Okay. Oh, yes. Oh, you can see it is the P1S. Look at that. The cover is different, and outside the brand is different, and also have a little glasses. Okay, and one ball. Okay, you can see the cover's color is black, is nylon, and have a different. This is different to P1. You can see is different. Okay, and the body I think is the same, look like same. Okay, and also first you receive it, you need to what? Do you know? First thing, you can see the magazine is the new magazine, is different to old one. Every new P1 or P1S magazine have this. You need to remove it. If you receive the P1 or P1S, the magazine have not this cover, I think damaged. Maybe you buy an old one, it's not new. You can see it is the new magazine. Every new P1 or P1S, the magazine is like this, have a cover. You first thing remove it, and second you must open this safe like this. Like this, open the safe, you can push the trigger. Okay, lesson, it is a CNC, not nylon, it is a CNC. The cover now is black, it is nylon. Details I think is good, and you can see the trigger a little different. You can see the red color in the trigger. Okay, and I will try the old P1S magazine. Is it can use for this P1S? Okay, no problem. It's same. Okay. P1, this is the upgrade, and P1 DE color, it is the upgrade, and P1S. You can find the body is different. Our say Shanghai Toy Expo, and you see most photo. The body is different. It is new P1's body. Okay. If you want to, the body is like the photo. Look at that. Okay, if you like this body, you need change it by yourself. Okay. This you can find this cover here. You can remove here. Can very easy to install RMR. Okay, I will test it now. Okay, working is good. Okay, I will dismantle it now. Just a moment. Also is a little different. Try again. Okay, 1, 2, 3, try again. Oh, are you clear? You can see the new P1S is a little different. Did you find it? What is the different? Okay. CNC SAI. Okay. I will open the old P1. You can find a different. Okay. Did you find a different? Did you find a different? Here is the new. It's very different. Okay. Let's see the body. You can see this is the P1S. This is P1. I think the body is same and not have any different. It is the same. Okay. So the P1S just the cover is different, and the hair spas is different to P1, and hair is different. I think it is not nylon. It is metal or CNC. I think it is CNC. Okay, and here is different to P1. Okay, install the P1. Okay, check. Okay. Let us dismantle this cover. Let's see what are different. Oh, it's really different. You can see it's really different for P1S. P1 to P1S is really different. Look at that. You can see the very different. It is so different. Look at that. It's different. Little difficult to install this new parts. Look at that. It's very difficult. One moment. Okay, 2000 years old. I installed it. It's so difficult to install. So don't DIY this. Okay? Go on. Okay, you can see I changed the bear for this P1S. This is the old one. They are both SAI, but a little different. This one is also CNC. It's KUBLAI made. Okay, test it. Test it. Okay, that is all unboxing video, and I will test it now. One moment, and some cable. Okay. everything clear. It is the same for P1. Okay. And, empty. Okay. It's working good. Okay, this is Cool Hobby. This P1S unboxing and review video is finished. If you like our video, please don't forget to subscribe us and follow our new online shop. Thank you very much. See you next video. Bye bye.